Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install Mysql on Windows operating system. So Mysql is one of the most recognizable technologies in modern big data system, often called the most popular database and currently enjoying widespread effective use regardless of industry. It's clear that anyone involved with enterprise data or general IT should at least aim for a basic familiarity of MySQL. With MySQL, even those new to the relational systems can immediately build fast, powerful, and secure data storage systems. MySQL's programmatic syntax and interfaces are also perfect gateways into the wide world of other popular query languages and structured data stores. So basically, MySQL is a relational database management system developed by Oracle, and that is based on structured query language, that is SQL. And it is the renowned data science tool that everyone should know how to use it. So let's see how to download it. So first you have to navigate to your Chrome to type MySQL download. And the first link that you will see is basically MySQL downloads. Then you have to click on it. And this page will appear. Now you have to, in this page, what you can do, you can just scroll down a bit and you will see MySQL community GPL downloads. So you have to click on this. Then it redirects you to this page, MySQL community downloads. Now what you have to do, you have to select MySQL installer for Windows. That can be seen here. Now I have to click this and it redirects you to this page. Now from here you have to select your operating system. Since I have already in the last page I have selected for the Windows, that's why only Windows is available. And from now you can select the Windows X32 32-bit MSI installer. So now from here you have to just select Windows x86 32-bit MSI installer, and now you have to click download. Then it redirects you to this page. Now you have to you can either log in or you can just sign up, but I don't want to do either, so I'll just carry on with this. No thanks, just start my download. Now you can see my downloading process has begun. Now till the time it has downloaded, you can even select the another versions, like if you don't want to go with this current version, you can either select it. In the archive section you have to just go to the back and select the archive versions, and from here you can see this various version available, but I want to download the latest version. That's why I have just downloaded the latest version. And how you can relocate to this page, you have to just go to this. Okay, let me just show you. So you have to come to this. Okay, so you have to come to this home page /downloads. Then from here you have to go to this MySQL community GPL downloads, and here MySQL installer for Windows. And you can see there are other tools as well available, so if you want to download it, you can download from here as well. But the MySQL installer for Windows will give you an opportunity together, like you can install other tools from that installer only. I'll just show you in a minute. And from here you can just go to archive. So let me just wait till my downloading has finished. Now as you can see, my downloading has finished. Now what I'll do, I'll just double click on this downloaded part for the Windows installer. It is just preparing to install. And it has asked for administrative privileges, so you have to grant them. Again it has asked for just grant it again. Now the installer has begun. Now you can see this. So this is the GUI that you will get. Now you have to go to this developer default, but since I want to download custom files, I do not want to download everything. So what I'll just go to this custom, and you can even read it here, like it install all products needed for MySQL development purposes. Server only install the MySQL server product. Client only install only the MySQL client products without a server, and full is basically install everything, but I don't want to install everything. I'll just want to download the workbench or either shell along with the MySQL server. So I'll just click custom and click next. Now from here I have to select the products. The beauty of this installer is like we can just manually put everything into this cart, and this product to be installed is just like a cart. So I'll just click on this plus mark, MySQL Server 8.0, and I can just click on this, and I have to just click this arrow. This product has been selected. Now for the application part, I just want to install Workbench, so I'll go to Workbench. Again, I'll go to click here at this. If you want my MySQL shell, so you can even download MySQL shell, but I do not want to download it, so I'll just keep it as it is. But if you want to, okay, just let us just take MySQL shell as well. So these are the products that has been downloaded. So you can enable the select features page to customize product features. Just okay, let me just keep it as default. Now what I'll do, click next. Now I finally have to click execute. Now you can see line by line each of the product will get downloaded. First it is downloading the MySQL server. Okay, it has completed downloading the MySQL server. Now it is installing the Workbench, and you can even see the version. We are currently using the 8.0.32 version. Now MySQL shell. Now you can see all the three products has been downloaded. Now I'll go to next, ready to configure. Now again I have to click next. Now you can see it is the configuration type, so either you can use the development computer, so you can read it here like it is saying that this is development computer, many other application will be installed on it, a minimal amount of memory will be used by MySQL, and there is server computer and dedicated computer, so you can choose based on your personal usage or the professional usage. For this purpose I'm going to just make it default, and you can see the port has been given, so I'll just click on next. Now it has asked in the next page for the authentication method. Now use strong password encryption for authentication, recommended, so I'll just click next. Now the root password, so I'll just type password ABCD, retype password. Okay, I'll just take 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, now I'll have to click next. MySQL error standard account. Okay, just keep it as default. Now click next. Yes, grant full access to the Mysql directly by permission of files. Do you want MySQL to update this? Okay, just click yes, we do not want to make any changes. Just click execute, and as you can see each of the steps is getting executed. Starting the server, applying security, the configure MySQL server successful, click finish to continue. So now next, now you can see start WordPress setup. I do not want to start, so I can just keep it as it is. Now finally I can just finish. So after we have downloaded the MySQL, there's one thing that you have to make changes, basically add the MySQL bin path to the environment variable. So let me just locate to the place where the MySQL server has been installed. So for that you have to just go to the C drive, you have to go to the program files, you have to scroll down, and you can see MySQL. You have to click it, you have to go to this server bin and copy this path, then you have to type environment variable, and you have to click on this environment variable. What you have to do, click on this path, click new. Okay, double click on this path, click new, and you have to paste the path, click OK, and finally, okay, just I forgot to take new path. Okay, and okay. So we do this process basically to make sure that we do not get any command not recognized from the internal or external system. That's why we do this process. Okay, so now MySQL has been downloaded and we have even configured the path. Now it's time to launch MySQL. So for that we have to just go to CMD, and first we can see that our MySQL has been installed or not. For that we can just type MySQL -- version, press enter, and you can see the version 8.03.02 has been installed successfully. Now to log into the MySQL or to start the MySQL server, you have to type MySQL /u, and the user was the root, so we type root and -p. Now it will ask for the password. So password was 1234. Now click enter, and now you are in the MySQL database. Now in order to see the database, you can just use the basic SQL query. So show databases. Okay, let me just getting the, I forgot to put the semicolon. Now, okay, repeat the command, semicolon. Now, okay. Now you can see these are the databases that has been installed in this computer. So in order to create a database, so you can just type on the create command, and this was about the MySQL. Now let's see about the workbench. So what we can do for the workbench, you have to just type workbench. Now click on this workbench system. You can, workbench is basically a GUI for MySQL. So for now here you have to connect with the local instance, so you have to just click it over here. Now it has been asking the password, so password was 1234 in my case. Okay, and now you're inside the SQL. So this is the interface that you will, this is the GUI interface that you will get while launching the workbench. So here this is the system database, which is the table, the database which was created default. So in order to create it, you can just go to this create total, or you can create a new table. You can just create a database over here, create database, create DB. So you can just run commands over here. This below is the output window. In this, if any table has been selected, so you can see the information regarding the table in this schema for that particular table. And yeah, you can even import if you want to import any table. So you have to just go to this part, and here you have to go to the open model, or if you want to import something, so you have to just go to the database, and you can see the connect to database. So you can connect to this particular database, and yeah, this is much about it. And if you want to import some data, so you can go to this data import. Here you can upload any files like Excel file you have. So if you want to upload it into a database, so you can do it over here. So this was it about this was much about the MySQL workbench. Hope you would have enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubts, you can just type it in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you.